there was one morning I woke up and I said, there's something wrong. I'm stuck. That was the feeling. And if I would move, so okay, that time I thought, okay, maybe something has happened. I went to the gym, I exercised. By the time I came home, I was in a bad shape. One step I used to take and there's a current rushing through my body. अभी देखो दो तरह के लोग आते हैं. एक तो आते हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा प्रोटीन पे फोकस करते हैं, ठीक है, प्रोटीन खाते रहते हैं, कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो रहा है, गट स्टमक इज नॉट क्लियरिंग, बट दे आर ओनली फोकसिंग ऑन द प्रोटीन. दैट्स आल्सो नॉट राइट. वी डू, अगर प्रोटीन खा रहे हो तो फाइबर तो चाहिए ही चाहिए उस प्रोटीन को.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Dr. Udit Kapoor, an orthopedic surgeon who is practicing at Metro Hospital, Faridabad. Today we have a very special guest on our show, Mitrushi Ajmera. So she is a wellness coach and has been a TEDx speaker, and she has been doing tremendously very good on such a platform. So welcome on our show.
Thank you very much, Dr. Udit. I'm really excited for our conversation. We wanted to speak to you also, so now we are here.
First, let me tell my audience a brief introduction about yourself. Just tell them.
So, I am 46 and I'm a mother of two big boys. So that's my personal background. And so now I've been working as a wellness professional for 13 years. I'm a master trainer and a fitness and sports nutritionist. I started my journey from Pilates. With Pilates I started.
All right.
And I did that when I had reached up to 87 kgs in weight after my second pregnancy.
Okay.
That is when I always say my profession found me. I did not choose this profession.
Right.
It's only when I lost that weight did I realize that I like exercising and I like living fit. That's how I became a coach, because then I took it up as a profession and I started seriously studying about it. So from 87 kgs today I'm at 50.
So that's how your journey initially started, and that was when? Way back?
That was 14 years back. I was 34 then, and so from 87, first I lost that weight and then the journey started. Otherwise, I come from a very orthodox background from Jaipur.
Okay.
So I am a Jain. So
Alright.
Marwaris, Jain,
Okay.
Marwari Jain. So it was not an easy profession to choose for me.
And how do you manage your routines? Like how it initially happened and now how you doing it?
Okay. So when I started, it wasn't very easy because being a woman and from that background, entering into a field like I started with as a trainer. So that was a field where there were more men and not as many qualified women trainers. So that was a big step in itself for me. So I started with that, and today I work, I manage my family. So it's the person, mother of two big boys. So
Okay.
hands-on, busy there as well as
Okay.
managing this. So my day starts very early. So I started about 4:30, 4:45.
Okay.
Because my classes start from 5:30 in the morning.
Classes as in you have been teaching?
I coach people.
Okay.
I personal training and nutrition and all that. And I've been coaching worldwide. So
Oh, nice.
So clients from US, Canada, Australia. To manage all the time zones,
Right.
I end up working really early in the mornings and sometimes late in the mornings.
So ये जो रूटीन है ये बेसिकली मॉर्निंग से स्टार्ट होता है एंड इवनिंग तक चलता है या लेट नाइट ऑल्सो ये चलता रहता है?
हाँ, मैं लेट नाइट कोशिश करती हूँ नहीं करती.
Okay.
Because by 10 o'clock my eyes are like closing.
Okay.
So I start early. It's not that through the day I'm taking my sessions. I take my morning sessions till 11 o'clock.
Okay.
In between my breakfast and all that happens. Then 11 to 2 is my time to exercise and recovery and all that.
All
I
right.
do. Then lunch at home, and then 3 o'clock onwards, my evening sessions start, which is again now these are more of exercise, nutrition plus exercise.
Okay.
So these are for the online clients.
And in person also you have been
In
training?
person, that's in the morning usually.
Okay.
Till 10:30, 11 are my in-person sessions. Personal training, which is one-on-one as well as group.
Okay.
And evenings are more online.
Mm-hmm.
So that's more like it, and then I go to bed. Yeah.
So very rare we see something like this. So who has been the role model for you?
As such, there was no fit person I was following or got inspired with. It was primarily my mom, because I had seen her struggle with rheumatoid arthritis. So I have seen her in pain and all that. And my mom also wanted my sister and I to take care of our health.
Mhm.
Hence, I never wanted to stay at that 87 kgs. I lost that weight, and when I used to exercise, there was a trainer who actually identified. He said, Vitushi, you exercise with so much passion. Why don't you become a trainer yourself? I said, I have commerce background. Can I become a trainer? She said, of course you can. And she helped me find a Pilates course in Delhi. And I attended, and I loved it so much that I actually sincerely I took it up as a profession. I said, okay, let's study deeper and
Okay.
get deeper into it. So that's from where the journey started. So as a role model, it was my mom who was the reason.
As you have mentioned, Abhi, ki you were 87 kgs. So your main focus was on your diet or your workouts? What was the
Okay.
main thing?
So that then I was not a trainer or a coach. I have made huge mistakes, blunders. So yeah, so I was not in a hurry to lose weight, but since I used to like exercising, I used to exercise for 2 to 3 hours, non-stop.
Like everybody,
Yeah.
every individual was doing. Yeah.
And exercising 2 to 3 hours without any intra-workout nutrition.
All right.
At that time, there was no social media.
Right.
So I had no way of finding out. Though the trainers, they used to say, Mitushi, you're doing too much, don't. But I couldn't understand why. They could not tell me why I shouldn't do. Fine, I did that. I lost all that weight. I came down to, I think, around 65, 67 kgs. And I landed
From 87, you came
from
down to
80
55.
Yes, in one
Okay.
and a half years. So it was not a very quick weight loss.
All right.
I took my time. But it was that poor nutrition and excessive exercise that I ended with a severe grade 2 lower back muscle injury.
Oh, okay.
There was one morning I woke up and I said, there's something wrong. I'm stuck. That was the feeling. And if I would move, so okay, that time I thought, okay, maybe something has happened. I went to the gym, I exercised. By the time I came home, I was in a bad shape. One step I used to take, and there's a current rushing through my body.
Okay.
I thought, it's all gone.
Hmm.
There's something, how bad thoughts come first.
This happened when you were 55 kgs or like
So I
initially?
had come down to somewhere around 65, 66 kgs. By then I must be 35 or so in age. So went to the doctor. Doctor said it's a soft tissue muscle injury. Take care and all that. That is the time when I thought, what is it? Where did I go wrong? And that was also another reason why I actually became serious and took it up as a profession. I had learned Pilates. Now this injury told me you have no other way but to take it up professionally and find out your answers.
Right.
And that is how I did Pilates. I started taking classes and all that, and then realized that I need to study more. Then I did fitness training and nutrition, And it took me 1 year to find all the answers that why did it happen.
Right.
And the reason was that excessive exercise and not taking off my protein requirement.
So basically,
I'm a
from
vegetarian.
your mistakes, you have learned down these
Yes.
things. Okay.
So I'm a vegetarian. Now imagine vegetarian going on a GM diet and all that to lose weight, because I thought that is something you have to do to lose weight. That was a
Right,
misconception
right,
I
right.
had. So I did a lot of GM diets and fancy diets and all that. Lost all the weight, but I must have lost muscles. You're a doctor, you would know.
Right.
So lost all that. So it was that which was a turning point, which made me understand that how moderation is the key. You can't over-exercise.
Right.
You can't keep looking at calories and just not eating, just to be in a deficit. So you do have to look at calories. You have to be in a deficit.
So what will be the ideal balanced diet? If in case I'll ask for my audience, what will be the best balanced diet which you will
so
recommend?
the mistake that time I made, I did not take care of my protein, right?
Okay.
Now, balanced diet in terms of India, where a large population is vegetarian.
Right.
Also, in India, our diet is very carb and fats focused. That is where we go off. It's not that Indian diet is bad, but it's the balance of these macronutrients. So when I talk about nutrition, I say first correct the macros.
Right.
Micro, you can still manage.
For our audience, can you just explain them about the macros and the micros?
So what do I mean by macro is there are only 3 macronutrients: proteins, carbohydrates and fats.
Right.
Right? If we manage these, our actually vitamins and minerals can get managed easily. Now, so the mistake I made, I was only looking at calories and not at these macronutrients because I didn't know. So all I was saying is, अच्छा आम की जगह मोनाको बिस्किट खा लेती हूँ, कम कैलोरी होती है, ऐसा करती थी. Now I know. So what is a balanced diet? It is balancing your carbohydrates, proteins and fats. Now what is balance here? Minimum, certainly, we all need carbohydrates. So carbohydrates are not going out of our diet. 50 to 55% carbohydrates are fine. Now carbohydrates and fats are also inversely proportional.
Carbohydrates and fats.
Fats.
Right.
You can do one more and the other one less. You can balance them out. It's the protein which we really need to work specifically in India. See, if it's a non-vegetarian, fine, we know lean proteins, everything. But when it comes to a vegetarian, and when a vegetarian tells me that I am off grain, I'm off carbohydrates, I'm trying to lose weight, I'm going off carbohydrates. By that they mean off grains.
Okay.
रोटी नहीं खाएंगे, चावल नहीं खाएंगे, right? सब्जी, fruit भर के खाएंगे, हाँ? वो भी तो carbohydrate है. So there is this misunderstanding that only grains are carbohydrate. तो वो छोड़ देते हैं. Now those vegetarians don't realize that the plant protein, which is beans, legumes, और ये जो हमारे बेसन, ये दाल, peas, ये सब incomplete protein होते हैं. तो इनको when you mix them with the carbohydrate grains like your roti, rice, they become complete. And it's only when the protein is complete can the body use that protein as protein.
Okay.
If even one single amino acid is missing, it's a little technical, is missing, body cannot use it as protein. So is
there any percentage also in the entire diet?
Now, yes. So if we want to look at that balanced diet, so I would say 20 to 25% proteins we should eat. Okay. Whatever calories we figure out. Let's say my calorie requirement, let's say, is 1800. From 1800, I try that 20 to 25% comes from protein. Carbohydrate, fats तो भर के आता है, हमारे को देखना भी नहीं पड़ता है. Carbohydrate, अभी दूध ही ले लो, दूध का lactose is carbohydrate, right? So it's the protein where we need to work. That does not mean 20-25% is not high protein, right?
Right.
50-55% is still carbohydrate, right? 20-25% is not high protein. जिसको लोग कहते हैं, oh, I'm on high protein. High protein is not that. High protein is when your diet is 80% protein. You're not doing that. That's an Atkins diet, right? So this is what I say. कि 50-55% कार्बोहाइड्रेट रखो, बाकी प्रोटीन से रखो। क्यों? क्योंकि प्रोटीन्स टेक लॉन्गर टू डाइजेस्ट, सो दे कीप यू फुलर फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम। तो इससे भी बड़ा आपको कैलोरी डेफिसिट भी बनाने में इजी होता है फॉर अ नॉर्मल पर्सन। आई ऑलवेज से देखो, एक मेंटेनेंस कैलोरीज खाओ, थोड़ा डेफिसिट साइड पे खाओ, क्योंकि आप बाहर
This
भी
you are
खाते
telling
हो।
about weight loss journey.
No,
No.
not actually weight loss, only for weight maintenance also I'm saying.
Okay.
Because see, we all tend to eat out also. And no matter what you do, calories would be higher
Right.
outside because fat is higher. Fat makes food tastier. तो उसको बैलेंस आउट करने के लिए मेंटेनेंस और डेफिसिट थोड़ा मेंटेन करो, ताकि आप बाहर खाना खा सको और वजन ना बढ़े. See, when does the body become unhealthy? When you're in excess weight.
Right.
Other diseases come later when you stay in an excess. But if you're maintaining, if you're थोड़ा calorie deficit रख के अपना weight manage करते हो, तो half of your issues are also in control. आपको जल्दी से diseases भी नहीं होंगे.
Exactly.
So that's it. तो balanced diet से हमारा यही मतलब होता है कि आप थोड़ा प्रोटीन पे ध्यान दो, क्योंकि वो easily नहीं आता है, उसको आपको ध्यान दे के थोड़ा सा लाना पड़ता है.
Yeah.
हमारे अब कोई भूख लग रही है, हम लोग मठरी नमकीन खा लेते हैं.
Right.
प्रोटीन पे ध्यान देना है. मठरी नमकीन से प्रोटीन नहीं मिलेगा.
हाँ.
हमें प्रोटीन मिलेगा दही, दूध, पनीर. ये तो बहुत इजी तरीके हैं लाने के.
Right.
दाल्स फॉर अ वीगन and for a non-vegetarian, chicken,
many
eggs
options,
and
yeah.
all that.
Right.
So that's what I mean by balanced diet.
जब ये आप सब कुछ ऐसे देख रहे हो, तो ऐसे कहीं ऐसे पेशेंट्स भी आते हैं, कहीं ऐसे पेशेंट्स बट कहीं ऐसे आपके पास ऐसे क्लाइंट्स भी आते हैं जो हाइपो उसमें रहते हैं, डाइट जिनकी पूरी नहीं होती, तो उसमें आप उनको कैसे गाइड करते हैं?
Sorry, I didn't get it.
हाइपो मतलब डाइट में उनका पूरा बैलेंस नहीं है, उनकी डाइट बहुत लेस उसमें है,
हाँ.
तो उनको हाउ डू यू एक्सप्लेन देम, हाउ डू यू मैनेज विद दिस काइंड ऑफ पीपल?
अभी देखो, दो तरह के लोग आते हैं.
हाँ.
एक तो आते हैं जो बहुत ज्यादा प्रोटीन पे फोकस करते हैं. ठीक है, प्रोटीन खाते रहते, कॉन्स्टिपेशन हो रहा है, गट स्टमक इज नॉट क्लियरिंग, बट दे आर ओनली फोकसिंग ऑन द प्रोटीन. दैट्स आल्सो नॉट राइट. अगर प्रोटीन खा रहे हो तो फाइबर तो चाहिए ही चाहिए उस प्रोटीन को डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए. तो ना हर तरीके के लोग आते हैं. तो आज मुझे जब बात करनी पड़ती है ना, तो दैट इज व्हाई every person, every individual becomes so different कि इसको ऐसे कोच करना है, इसको ऐसे कोच करना है, इसको कहना प्रोटीन बढ़ाओ, उसको कहना भाई प्रोटीन कम करो.
Right.
ऐसा भी होता है. नॉन वेजिटेरियन दबा के सिर्फ प्रोटीन खा रहे हैं, उनका वजन ही प्रोटीन से बढ़ रहा है. दे डोंट रियलाइज इट. सी, एनीथिंग इन एक्सेस व्हिच इज टेकिंग यू इन एन एक्सेस कैलोरी, यू विल पुट ऑन वेट, वेदर इट्स प्रोटीन और वेदर इट्स फैट. लोगों को लगता है प्रोटीन ज्यादा खाने से वजन नहीं बढ़ेगा, बट मतलब फैट नहीं बढ़ेगा, बट एक्सेस प्रोटीन जो यूटिलाइज नहीं हुआ उससे फैट ही बढ़ता है. तो हर तरीके के लोग होते हैं, हर तरीके के बैकग्राउंड से आते हैं. सो वी रियली हैव टू वे कि किससे हमें क्या बताना है.
कुछ ऐसे लोग भी आते होंगे जो अफोर्ड नहीं कर सकते, उनके लिए कैसे मैनेज होगा?
एक्चुअली बहुत ईजी है. बहुत ईजी है. देखो, मैं ये नहीं कहती कि सबको प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट लेना है. प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट हेल्प कर देता है कि कन्वीनियंस हो जाती है, चलो रेडी है, प्रोसेस है. बाकी हमारे डाइट में दूध, दही, पनीर, ये तो सब घरों में होता है. दिस इज द सिंपलेस्ट थिंग यू कैन हैव. मैं तो कहती हूँ, अगर प्रोटीन नहीं बन रहा है तो अपना दूध दही पे ध्यान दो. दूध भी नहीं, दही और पनीर पे ध्यान दे रहे हो, प्रोटीन भी मिल जाएगा. दे आर अभी दाल है, दूध दही है. दूध दही से क्या होता है, बिकॉज दीज आर एनिमल प्रोटीन्स, दीज आर कंप्लीट, इजियर टू मैनेज. और दूध दही आज गांव में भी होता है, राइट? तो ये इजीली मिल जाता है. दैट इज द इजीएस्ट. इट इज नॉट सो डिफिकल्ट टू गेट योर प्रोटीन्स और योर न्यूट्रिशन इन लिमिटेड मनी. सीजनल खा लो. हम नहीं कहते फैंसी चीजें खाओ, नहीं खाना आपको एवोकाडो अगर महंगा है. आपको नहीं है फैंसी फ्रूट्स खाने, आप खाओ जो सीजन का है, वो एक्चुअली फायदा भी ज्यादा करेगा. न्यूट्रिशन उसमें ज्यादा है, राइट? क्योंकि वो दूर कहीं से नहीं आ रहा है, कोल्ड स्टोरेज से नहीं आ रहा है. तो सीजन का सस्ता वाला मिलेट खाइए, सस्ता वाला ग्रेन खाइए, सस्ती वाली आसपास से जो दालें आ रही है वो खाइए, सस्ती दाल खाइए, सस्ती सब्जी खाइए, सस्ता फल खाइए. तो
बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग भी होंगे जो प्रोटीन इंटेक जिनका ज्यादा है, जैसे मैं देखता हूँ मेरे प्रोफेशन में, उनका यूरिक एसिड बढ़ा होता है. देन उनको क्या सजेशन देते हो कि यूरिक एसिड बढ़ा हुआ है, प्रोटीन्स पे किन किन चीज़ों पे कट डाउन करना चाहिए? दिस इज most important thing.
Big issue. So see, uric acid primarily तब बढ़ता है when your body is not able to eliminate the toxins, right? So first priority there is water intake, hydration optimum
Right.
रखो. मैं हमेशा कहती हूँ प्रोटीन ज्यादा हो, सॉल्ट ज्यादा हो, कार्बोहाइड्रेट ज्यादा हो आपकी बॉडी में, अगर इंटेक ज्यादा है तो पानी जरूर पिए, क्योंकि टॉक्सिन्स वेस्ट पानी से ही निकलते हैं. एंड यूरिक एसिड अपने आप थोड़ा कंट्रोल में आता है. पहला नंबर 1 इज हाइड्रेशन. नंबर 2, you have to move more. See, body has to eliminate so you have to keep moving also so that the body functions better. And
Right.
then comes the protein, spreading out your protein through the day.
So do we need to
एक
cut
बार
down
में
on
भर के
proteins?
ना.
या नहीं?
एक
Do we
बार.
need to cut down on proteins or no?
It depends. बहुत ज्यादा एक्सेस है, आपको जरूरत ही नहीं है. आप प्रोटीन कर रहे हो, आप एक्सरसाइज करते नहीं हो, तो आपके लिए तो वो प्रोटीन ज्यादा है. सो इट्स ऑल पर्सन टू पर्सन कि आप कितनी एक्सरसाइज कर रहे हो. आर यू अ बॉडी बिल्डर और यू आर जस्ट अ पर्सन हु इज गोइंग टू ऑफिस, हु इज सिटिंग थ्रू द डे. सो द प्रोटीन रिक्वायरमेंट दीज टू पीपल इज ऑल्सो डिफरेंट.
Right.
सो वी ऑल हैव टू ईट एज पर दैट. तो बेसलाइन में बोल दूं तो मैं ये कहूंगी ठीक है, 1 ग्राम पर केजी ऑफ बॉडी वेट आपको प्रोटीन सबको मिनिमम ले लेना चाहिए.
Right, exactly.
उसको हम पूरा दिन में स्प्रेड करेंगे. एक बार में जो गलती लोग करते हैं वो होता है एक बार में बहुत प्रोटीन खा लेते हैं. तो अच्छा चलो अभी इतना चिकन खा लेते हैं, हो गया पूरा दिन भर का. What we have to do is the same chicken that you're eating, you have to spread it out in 5 meals.
Okay.
ताकि
So ideally, you would
एक
recommend
बार में-
anybody to have 5 meals in a day?
There is no standard rule.
Okay.
We have to see how a person functions. My personal suggestion is अगर 3 से 6 मील के बीच में आप रखते हो तो you have sustainable energy also through the day. You're not eating big meals where उसके बाद एकदम से थक गए, बैठे, एनर्जी नहीं है.
Which one should be the heaviest meal?
Heaviest?
People have this doubt. Generally, people
There
have
are
this.
2 times where your meal should be heavy.
Right.
One is your morning and lunch. Then one thing which we need to see is a workout. अगर workout है, workout के बाद का meal heaviest होना चाहिए because
Okay.
हाँ, क्योंकि उस वक्त एनर्जी आपने यूटिलाइज भी करी है अपनी सारी, तो उसके बाद. बट अगर वो सेम वर्कआउट इफ इट्स इन द इवनिंग, आई डोंट एक्सपेक्ट यू टू overeat there, right?
Okay.
So I say अगर आपको अपना देखना है कि कैसे खाना है, follow the nature. कहीं पर भी डाउट है, किसी भी चीज का आंसर चाहिए, follow the nature. Sun rises, we start eating. As the sun sets, we start reducing our food intake so that the body is not pushed to digest that food, and body also can get you into a sleep mode because body is also trying to retire to put you to sleep in the evening.
Right.
If you give a heavy meal that time, you're pushing your body to stay up to digest that food. Of course, it's going to hinder your sleep.
बहुत लोगों के ये भी डाउट्स होते हैं कि हमें रात का खाना स्किप कर देंगे, that will be helpful for us. क्या ये is it
So
really true?
I say, don't look at this approach. Why should you skip? What you should do is breakfast भर के खाएंगे हम like a king. Lunch कर लो. मैं ये कहती हूँ इवनिंग तक आप अच्छे से खाओ, फिर भूख लगे तो डिनर खाओ, नहीं लगे तो मत खाओ. But the goal is not to skip dinner.
There's no hard and fast rule ऐसा कि dinner.
No. All we say is अब कोई ऑफिस से 10 बजे आदमी आ रहा है, उसको ये नहीं बोल सकते कि आप कुछ मत खाओ.
Right.
हाँ, हम ये कहते हैं कि whatever your sleep time is, आप ये देखो कि आपको 2 घंटा मिल जाए उसको डाइजेस्ट करने को. What we should all try is, see, 5 to 6 o'clock we are all very hungry. Everyone is. और सबको लगता है कि कुछ मेरे साथ प्रॉब्लम है, मुझे इस टाइम पे भूख लगती है, चाय पी के भूख मार लेते हैं. Don't do that.
Okay.
Eat that heavy meal. उस टाइम पे कुछ सब्सटैंशियल खा लो, आपके डिनर की क्वांटिटी अपने आप कम हो जाती है. So your body naturally falls in place if you follow the sun, follow your circadian rhythm, and naturally you will actually your dinner will become like a snack. See, a snack is a small meal.
Right.
The body does not have to put in too much work, but a heavy proper meal takes efforts for the body also to digest. तो ये देखना होता है, फोकस डिनर को खत्म करने का नहीं है, फोकस है ब्रेकफास्ट हैवी.
बहुत लोगों का ये भी होता है कि रात को कार्ब्स नहीं लेते. So is it helpful?
No. Why? It's the carb, the tryptophan, which is there in our grains.
Right.
It's a amino acid, right? It makes you sleep better, and that you get ample from cashews
And what about the
grains.
person जिनका गोल कुछ और है, मान लो supposedly someone wants to lose body fat, ठीक है, उस सिनेरियो में
उस सिनेरियो में it's not just the carb or any particular food which they need to worry about. First, weight loss. No one can change it, no matter what people say. Without calorie deficit, you cannot lose weight. That is number one.
Exactly.
Calorie तो balance करना ही पड़ेगा. If your calories are equated, you will maintain weight. If your calories in excess, you will gain weight. अगर कैलोरीज कम खाएंगे, डेफिसिट रखेंगे तो वजन कम होगा. ये कोई नहीं चेंज कर सकता. आप उसको किसी भी तरीके से फैंसी तरीके से बोल लो, ये चेंज कोई नहीं कर सकता. सो कैलोरी डेफिसिट तो चाहिए वेट लॉस के लिए. नाउ कैलोरी डेफिसिट में आप अगर प्रोटीन पे ध्यान दोगे तो देयर इज समथिंग कॉल्ड TF. और प्रोटीन है ना, एनर्जी ज्यादा लेता है डाइजेस्ट करने के लिए, तो थोड़ा सा ना प्रोटीन ज्यादा खाने का बेनिफिट भी ये मिल जाता है कि थोड़ा उधर भी वो डेफिसिट क्रिएट करने में हेल्प कर देता है. आपको डेफिसिट लाना है वेट लॉस के लिए. कार्ब कम कर दो, आप प्रोटीन पूरा खा लो, कैलोरी एक्सेस करो, वजन नहीं कम होगा. तो वजन कैलोरी डेफिसिट से ही कम होता है. न्यूट्रिशन हेल्थ भी चाहिए तो मैक्रो न्यूट्रिएंट्स पे भी ध्यान दो. नहीं तो आप 5 दिन के समोसे खा लो, कैलोरी डेफिसिट है तो वजन तो कम हो जाएगा. अब हेल्थ मिलेगी नहीं मिलेगी, दैट्स अ सेकंड थिंग. वजन कम हो जाएगा. इफ योर गोल इज ओनली वेट, तो वो तो कम हो जाएगा. नाउ इफ वी वांट हेल्थ आल्सो, देन वी शुड लुक एट द मैक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स आल्सो. सो फर्स्ट गोल कैलोरीज, सेकंड इज मैक्रो फॉर हेल्थ.
तो जैसे इसी के बारे में बात करता हूँ, प्रोटीन्स के बारे में. कहीं अभी तो ठीक है, आप जिसको ट्रेन कर रहे हो वो नॉर्मल भी होंगे, बट कहीं प्रोफेशनल्स भी आते होंगे. सपोजली अगर किसी का ऐसा डाउट है कि वे प्रोटीन और केजीन प्रोटीन, तो उसमें कैसे डिफरेंशिएट करोगे?
So
which one is better?
Okay, both are good. Okay, I say if you do not even want to look at protein supplement, let us understand it from real food.
Okay.
दही होता है, पनीर का पानी, ये सब होता है, ये वे में आ जाता है. दूध और पनीर का जो कर्डल्ड पनीर निकला है हमारा, that comes in casein. Whey is fast digesting.
Okay.
Casein is slow digesting. Fast digesting we keep in the first half of the day.
Okay.
Second half of the day keep slow digesting. Why? Because you have to sleep. When you're sleeping, you're not eating. You're in a state of fast. That time casein may help. जो ये हमारे रात में नहीं कहते थे दूध पी के सो. That is the reason. Because of casein protein मिलता है.
Okay.
Helps you sleep better.
Okay. And one more thing is there. अभी ये कुछ ट्रेंडिंग है जैसे कीटो डाइट, इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग. So इसके ऊपर कैसे बोलोगे?
अगर मैं कोई सी भी डाइट बोलूं, कोई सी भी, कीटो, पेलियो, इंटरमिटेंट, एक चीज जो डाइट अच्छा करती है वो ये करती है कि वो आपको डिसिप्लिन कर देती है. ठीक है, बिकॉज यू स्टार्ट फोकसिंग, अच्छा ये नहीं खाना, ये खाना है, ये खाना है, तो डिसिप्लिन आ गया. तो इट्स दैट डिसिप्लिन दैट यू अचीव फ्रॉम अ डाइट. नाउ आई हैव अ क्वेश्चन इवन फॉर द ऑडियंस. कैन यू लूज वेट विदाउट कैलोरी डेफिसिट?
You can't.
No,
you can't.
आप कीटो डाइट कर लो, कैलोरी एक्सेस कर लो. आप इंटरमिटेंट डाइट कर लो, आप कैलोरी एक्सेस कर लो, क्या आप वजन कम कर पाओगे?
Not possible.
नहीं. तो किंग क्या है? कैलोरी डेफिसिट है.
Right.
नाउ इफ करना कैलोरी डेफिसिट ही है तो फिर ये पेलियो, कीटो, इंटरमिटेंट फास्टिंग क्यों? बैलेंस डाइट रखो, कैलोरी डेफिसिट करो, वजन कम हो जाएगा. सो द किंग इज कैलोरी.
Okay.
It's not these diets. The only thing the diets do is they make you more disciplined and make you more conscious.
Like for an example, intermittent fasting, people start with 8 hours, then reduce till 4 hours. Is this harmful? Somehow
your
the other
body
way.
adapts. Okay, your body adapts. But muscle, आप muscle वो कहते हैं ना, you would understand also doctor. हम कहते हैं ना nitrogen positive और negative में कौन रहता है? A person who eats regular 4 to 5 meals where there is protein will have higher chances of staying in nitrogen. You can say protein synthesis is better than versus 1-2 मील जो खाएंगे वो प्रोटीन सिंथेसिस उनका इतना ऑप्टिमम नहीं होता है क्योंकि वो नाइट्रोजन पॉजिटिव नहीं रख पाते हैं. सो दैट इज द थिंग. तो इसीलिए बेटर एडवाइज्ड कि आप 3 to कम से कम 3 मील तो खा लो ताकि आप प्रोटीन का सप्लाई दे सको. लॉट ऑफ पीपल डोंट नो दिस. I call it proteins have amino acids have a shelf life.
Right.
Okay, they float in the blood plasma for 4 hours, around 4 hours.
Right.
अगर 4-4 घंटे में प्रोटीन नहीं मिलता है तो those amino acids are extracted from the skeletal muscle because those are for aesthetics.
Right.
तो हमारा चाहे थोड़ा होगा प्रोटीन मसल ब्रेकेज बट होगा, राइट? तो इसीलिए जब हम प्रोटीन्स को स्प्रेड आउट कर लेते हैं तो वी stop this muscle unnecessary under with something which is not required, that muscle catabolism. And that was the reason why I also probably ended up with a muscle injury because मैं प्रोटीन का नहीं ध्यान रखती थी, right? I must be getting my proteins क्योंकि मैं दूध दही सब खाती थी, but time
You're talking about your initial journey.
Yeah, initial journey, right? 13 when I tore my muscles. Okay. So that must be the reason. So that is why I advise कम से कम 3 meals खाओ जिसमें प्रोटीन हो. You are good at 4 to 5 meals. That's a very good. Now not all the meals have to be heavy. 3 big meals, 2 snacks of proteins.
Okay.
And you can balance it.
What about those people जिनकी मंच करने की आदत है? Munching, people have this habit, अगर कोई movies देख रहे हैं या वैसे कहीं बाहर भी गए, people have this habit of sitting and just munching.
Yeah.
So इसका कैसे हम वो कर सकते हैं solution?
बिल्कुल कर सकते हैं, मंच करो. See, it's all about habits. आप हैबिट कैसे बिल्ड करते हो, ठीक है? अगर आप ध्यान ही चिप्स वगैरह पे जाएगा तो जब तक आप नहीं एफर्ट करोगे वो हैबिट जाएगी भी नहीं. हैबिट्स आर टफ टू टेक. सो व्हाट आई से, आप अपना प्रोटीन पे फोकस करना शुरू कर दो बिकॉज प्रोटीन स्टे लॉन्गर, दे टेक टाइम टू डाइजेस्ट, कीप यू फुलर फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. भरे पेट में क्रेविंग्स भी कम होती है, मन भी कम लग जाता है. कार्बोहाइड्रेट वाले स्नैक्स खाते रहेंगे तो भूख भी जल्दी लगती है, एंड देन यूर अगेन एंड अगेन रीचिंग आउट फॉर समथिंग और द अदर. तो प्रोटीन के ऑप्शन क्या है? दूध दही पनीर सबसे इजी है. दूध दही पनीर का आप स्नैक्स रखो, पनीर खा लिया, पनीर टिक्का खा लिया या दही खा लो, कुछ भी नहीं मिले दही खा लो. That protein is going to keep you fuller. Okay. And the cravings, the snacking will come down.
And what is the role of hydration along with this?
For every chemical function, water is required in the body, right? Our body, you remove fat from the body, rest everything is water. It's all
so
water.
So ideally people have this tendency कि हमें 7 liters, 8 liters पानी पीना है, but they end up hardly 2 or 3 liters. Maximum.
So there is no standard recommendation of water intake. All we should do is check with our urine color. It has to stay at pale yellow. When the urine is white, means you're overhydrating. Right. When it's dark yellowish, means it's more concentrated. Means there are more toxins in it, more salts in it, and that is fun thing which you can sign of dehydration and can reflect on that uric acid thing which I also said. So we should try that our urine is not very concentrated because so drink more water.
Any particular recommendation which you will give for my audience who have this diabetes mellitus? How will they manage with this thing?
With
proper diet.
Okay, so same protein can help because see it cuts down your snacks. It is these proteins also. If you keep yourself full with more protein, your carbohydrate intakes comes down. So this sugar is also released slowly in the blood through the day. There are no sugar spikes. See, when you eat more of carbohydrates, because carbohydrates digest really quickly. See, that is the quickest source of energy for the body, right? So why is it quickest source?
Is it sugar or carbohydrates?
So all carbohydrates are sugar only, right? So it's wrong to say sugar is bad. We have to see what kind of carbohydrate. So we know that carbohydrates digest very quickly because that is the quickest source of energy. They digest quickly. So what we should see is that our carbohydrates are more complex, which means carbohydrates which have starch and fiber in them, like grains, roots, tubers, vegetables. We should minimize simple carbohydrates where there are desserts, your brownie, chocolates and all that, and fruits. A lot of people don't realize and they keep eating fruits through the day. Fruits are simple carbohydrates. You do not need that much.
Any particular fruit?
No.
Which you are
none as such.
Okay.
I say Eat one fruit at a time, quantity equivalent to one small fruit.
Any fruit?
Any fruit,
One per
anybody
day?
can. Yeah.
Okay.
One per day.
Any
That is-
seasonal one? Oh no.
Yes, seasonal.
seasonal. Yeah.
Better, always better.
Always better.
So though from sugar point, that does not matter. I talk about seasonal food in terms of health. Nutrition is more in them. Okay. So it's like you get better return for your buck. So it's like that. So when you eat seasonal, you get a lot more nutrition than from something which is not seasonal.
Any particular fruit which you'll recommend to like all? Any single, single.
So I would not say that one food or fruit is better than the other. I say for me, easiest is a banana because it's available through the year, easily available everywhere. So actually banana should be the king. Easiest, सबसे सस्ता फल आता है वो. Right. It suits every pocket. Banana, good source of energy. Fresh banana है तो higher on complex carbohydrates, digest slowly. ज़्यादा soft हो गया तो simple carbohydrate हो जाता है वही banana. So banana actually, if we see in terms of procuring and availability, price point, it turns out to be a very good fruit. Then the other fruits which I would say, तो एक pulpy fruit रख लो, एक citrus category में से रख लो. A fruit which is high on antioxidants and all that. Also you can get, see, कहते हैं, oh, blueberries are good and high on antioxidants, but they're not easily available in India. So then these don't become very good for us.
Cost of affordability. Again, an issue.
Exactly. So we should, अभी सीजन का तरबूज खाओ आप, सस्ता आता है. तो सीजन का जो होगा वो अच्छा फ्रूट हो जाता है मेरे लिए. मेरे को तो people give up mangoes thinking that it's high calorie, and I love mangoes, and I tell people it's such a happy fruit. Start your day with a happy fruit.
Any such myth which you have heard, like particular a single one which makes you like laugh on it?
Yeah. So a lot of people, something I recently saw on the reels only, that proteins make you fart, but people don't realize it's the sugars which do that. Sugar ferments food. So it's the sugar which you need to control to avoid that. So that's so that was one thing which, from laughing perspective, but there are lots of myths. Now I do not know which one to tell you. Myths में हाँ कि प्रोटीन खाने से या प्रोटीन सप्लीमेंट खाने से किडनी खराब होती है. ये नहीं होता. So if your diet, अगर किडनी की कोई प्रॉब्लम है तब आपको प्रोटीन को ध्यान दे के करना पड़ता है, जैसे यूरिक एसिड है, राइट. बट एनी नॉर्मल पर्सन हु इज, ऑल यू नीड टू सी इज किडनी खराब होती है लैक ऑफ वाटर. क्यों? क्योंकि किडनीज को पानी नहीं मिल रहा है उस टॉक्सिन को फ्लश आउट करने के लिए. वो कंटामिनेशन, वो कंसंट्रेटेड यूरिन से वो किडनी खराब होती है. इट्स नॉट द प्रोटीन, इट्स द लैक ऑफ वाटर व्हिच इज कॉजिंग दैट. So this is one myth, that proteins, ज़्यादा प्रोटीन खाने से किडनी खराब.
अभी recently ICMR guidelines में बोला है कि proteins are not good. You know that, right?
हाँ. But every person has a different goal. Doctor, you are also majorly into fitness. You tell me, can you build muscle without taking care of your protein?
Not possible.
Right? And we know that proteins are required. That's why they're called building blocks.
Right.
Muscle repair है, hormone function के लिए भी protein चाहिए. Proteins are, amino acids are required at every step. So proteins लेना चाहिए, and I still stick to that thing. 1 gram per kg of body weight तो सबको चाहिए. RDA का 0.8 जो है वो तो सर्वाइवल के लिए है.
Right.
हमें सर्वाइव थोड़ी ना करना है. ये तो उनके लिए जिनको पूरा न्यूट्रिशन नहीं मिलता है. हम तो अच्छे भले हैं, तो आप कम से कम 1 ग्राम प्रोटीन तो खाओ पर केजी ऑफ बॉडी वेट. और तो दैट्स माय टेक ऑन दैट.
ओके. एंड पर्टिकुलरली जब कोई मैं पेशेंट्स ऑपरेट कर रहा हूँ, जैसे सपोजिटली किसी के लिगामेंट्स इंजरी है, उनके लिए भी कुछ ऐसे स्पेसिफिक है हमारे पास?
Yes. So there are certainly some micronutrients which really help over and above protein. See, protein is non-negotiable. क्योंकि जब मसल बनता ही प्रोटीन से है, तो ऑब्वियसली अगर मसल टियर हुआ है तो प्रोटीन का रिक्वायरमेंट भी बढ़ेगा. उसको रिपेयर करना है, दैट ओनली प्रोटीन विल डू. देन द माइक्रोन्यूट्रिएंट्स व्हिच हेल्प are vitamin C and vitamin E are my favorite. I call them body's doctor.
Okay.
They work on upper respiratory system, flu, infection, ये वो इनका ध्यान रखो, ठीक है. फिर उसके साथ आ जाता है जिंक,
Right.
ठीक है. Then there is one nutrient which is omega-3, which works as anti-inflammatory.
Right.
So these are the things which we should try and get from supplements if we're not getting optimally from our regular food. During an injury or infections, we should supplement because
So
you're
vitamin
not
C, vitamin E,
E, zinc,
right?
omega-3.
Okay.
See, if you ask me, there are a lot more other vitamins and minerals that you require. B12. वेजिटेरियन को B12 भी चाहिए नर्वस सिस्टम को काम ढंग से करवाने के लिए. विटामिन डी की डेफिशिएंसी में कैल्शियम भी नहीं पूरा एब्जॉर्ब होगा और कैल्शियम मसल को भी चाहिए, सिर्फ बोन को नहीं चाहिए.
Any major fruits or food which you will recommend for people who have deficiency of vitamin B12?
B12. Okay, so B12 तो देखो आपकी बॉडी खुद बनाती है. Now that will happen if your gut is healthy because it's made in the lower part of the intestines, right? तो हम क्या कर सकते हैं? We can facilitate कि B12 production और absorption अच्छा हो. तो हम क्या करेंगे? हमारा fibrous खाना खाएंगे और थोड़ा fermented चीजें खाएंगे. फिर उसके साथ अगर आप दूध दही खा लेते हो, जैसे मैं ये कहती हूँ मेरा सबसे अच्छा फेवरेट खाना होता है ऐसे बासी रोटी खाओ सुबह. बासी का मतलब ये नहीं बदबू वाली, लेफ्ट ओवर रोटी, एक दिन पुरानी रोटी, बिकॉज इट हैज फाइबर. तो थोड़ा सा रात में, बिकॉज इट्स अ कार्बोहाइड्रेट, फर्मेंटेशन होता है. जो आप राइस, जो हम कर्ड राइस वगैरह खाते हैं, ये सब क्यों अच्छा है? बिकॉज दीज आर फर्मेंटेड. Pickles are good because these are fermented. These help in B12 production.
Okay.
And better absorption. तो ये ऐसा है. देखो एक चीज का या एक न्यूट्रिएंट को लाना मुश्किल होता है, आपका पूरा गट अच्छा होना चाहिए, राइट? गट खराब है, आप B12 को ऐसे खाने की लाने की कोशिश करो, वो भी नहीं होगा. So it's the whole body which works as one unit. Our body is not divided in separate things. All the organs work together. So it's everything that you have to look at. So much so, even the mental, the thoughts that we put in our food.
Any particular thing, any particular fruit or food which you will recommend for good skin and good hairs?
Fruit or food?
Yeah.
देखो फ्रूट, स्किन और हेयर चाहिए ना, सबसे पहले तो अपना आयरन लेवल्स को सही रखना है. लेवल्स, आयरन की डेफिशिएंसी होगी, B12 की डेफिशिएंसी होगी, हेयर फॉल होगा ही होगा. स्किन को अच्छा करना है ना और हेयर को अच्छा करना है, सबसे पहली चीज मैं बोल रही, एक्सरसाइज करो. इट ब्रिंग्स दैट इलास्टिसिटी इन द स्किन. वो स्वेट होता है, आपके पोर्स क्लीन होते हैं, वो स्किन में इतनी इलास्टिसिटी आती है which people don't realize that it's the exercise which also makes skin better. And now coming to the food, there is no single food which can help. You still need to take care of your macronutrients. हाँ, deficiencies को correct करो. B12 और iron की deficiency ना हो. Vitamin E helps क्योंकि it's an antioxidant. Vitamin C helps, it's an antioxidant.
Right.
So these help in making skin and hair better.
You mentioned about the exercises. Which particular exercises, like HIIT types or normal brisk walking or normal walk?
So when it comes to exercise, there are three major things which I talk about. One is cardio,
right?
Strength training,
right?
And flexibility.
Right.
We need to have all these three for a healthy, functional body. Okay. Now, cardio, for your cardiac fitness, the oxygen uptake, removing of carbon dioxide is better because the blood is flowing better. So blood to every organ, brain or any other organ is better. And cardio makes it better. Second is strength for your musculoskeletal system.
Right.
Strength training is something which I really say people should look at. Because
be it a man or a woman.
Be it a man or a woman. आदमियों के लिए मैं ये कह देती हूँ, वो स्ट्रेस ज्यादा लेते हैं तो कार्डियो पे थोड़ा ध्यान दे ताकि वो हार्ट हेल्थ रहे. High blood pressure and cardio. So we also see what is more prevalent or common in which gender. So in men, stress is high because men don't share feelings the way women do. So I look at it like that. So men should take care of cardio. Men focus a lot more on strength training. They ignore cardio
part.
thinking हमारी muscle waste हो जाएगी, muscle break हो जाएगी. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Your body functions better when your heart is working better, your blood circulation is better. The same muscle works better with cardio. So men should focus on cardio. Women, they keep doing cardio, they minimize their strength. So I say, आप cardio नहीं, आपको strength चाहिए. क्यों? Because women have thinner bones. You're an orthopedic surgeon who would know better than you, and you will be able to tell people and hammer them. Okay, women have thinner bones. We have lesser muscle mass. So we need strength training much more than men would do, and it works even on hormones.
So vice versa, cardio more for men?
So I would say it has to be equal. Equal.
Okay.
So what we generally say, men do less cardio. So I said, please bring up your cardio.
Right.
Women do more cardio and less of strength training. So I said, bring your strength training. Ideally, they have to be equal. Strength and cardio, right?
And which cardio?
Now, anything that brings your heart rate up. You jump on the spot, it's cardio. खड़े रहोगे, jump करते रहो, heart rate ऊपर गई, it's cardio.
ऊपर कितनी ऊपर? कितनी ऊपर?
So there is a safe range.
Yeah.
Safe range.
I want my audience to know that.
So HIIT, let's say when you mentioned HIIT is not for a beginner, not for a person at base level. Because HIIT means you are doing something so intense that you can't sustain it for a longer time. Right? Because तेज भागोगे, आप full all out sprint करोगे, आप 8 से 10 सेकंड से ज्यादा नहीं भाग सकते.
Right.
So that really elevates your heart rate, and then you have to recover so that the heart rate comes down. So that is how HIIT is done.
Right.
Regular people, I say, focus on your aerobic training.
Okay.
Now aerobic training you do in a low heart rate zone. आपके heart rate को low रखते हो. A simple calculation for that can be first we will do directly. I'll say 180 minus your age. Simplest calculation.
180 minus your age is for?
Is low heart training.
All right. Okay.
Simple. सबके लिए ये कोई भी कर सकता है. बेसलाइन भी कर सकता है. कई बार ये लोग तो वॉक में ही इतनी हार्ट रेट आ जाते हैं. मीन्स अगर वॉक करने से वही हार्ट रेट आ गई, लो हार्ट रेट, मीन्स यू सी हाउ unfit or unhealthy the heart is.
Right.
Right? So low heart training is what we should focus on, because strength training is anaerobic. We want aerobic also. Hence, we should focus 80% times on aerobic training, which is low heart training. And HIIT is only 20%. Even for fit people, it should be 20. 20 में आपको results मिल जाएंगे. 20% of your all workout. So HIIT any which ways is not for the beginners.
And so many of the patients who recover from injuries, who have undergone surgeries. So how you deal with such people?
So first is, yes.
They want to
rest
get
and
back.
recover.
They want to get back to their normal life. They were doing exercises. They were doing everything. Now they want to get back to the normal life. How will you recommend
So
them?
first is like we know that it's rest. Now, depending on the kind of injury, it's active rest. Then, and during that time also, during your injury. Now, we need to understand when there is an injury or infection. Your body requires more nutrition to heal. अभी आपको 1200 कैलोरी जितना न्यूट्रिशन चाहिए, इंजरी हो गया तो रिक्वायरमेंट आल्सो गोज अप, राइट, टू हील दैट इंजरी. दैट मींस योर न्यूट्रिएंट रिक्वायरमेंट इज आल्सो हायर. अब एक कैच 29 जिसको कहते हैं कैच सिचुएशन होती है, इसमें क्या होता है, हम न्यूट्रिशन भी पूरा चाहिए, विटामिन सी ये सब चाहिए. मितुषी ने बोला था विटामिन सी और विटामिन ई चाहिए, दबा के ही खाना खा रहे हैं, खाने से लाने की कोशिश कर रहे हैं, कैलोरी हो गई एक्सेस, वजन बढ़ गया बिकॉज मूवमेंट इज लेस. सो ये बैलेंस करना पड़ता है. इसीलिए supplements come into picture, because supplements give you those nutrients without the calories. Hence I say supplements completely avoid नहीं करो. They're not necessary, but जिसको चाहिए उसको लेना चाहिए. तो इंजरी में supplements पे ध्यान दो. लो नहीं तो कैलोरी एक्सेस होगा, वजन बढ़ेगा, that itself is unhealthy. Right? तो पहला चीज है न्यूट्रिशन में अपना देखो, विटामिन सी, विटामिन ई, जिंक, विटामिन डी, और जहाँ चाहिए कैल्शियम, कौन सी इंजरी है उसके बेसिस पे ये इम्पोर्टेंट न्यूट्रिएंट्स हो जाते हैं.
As you have mentioned about the supplements, so कुछ ऐसा ideal age भी है where you recommend people to add on supplements to their diet?
देखो जो यंग पॉपुलेशन है, अनलेस अ चाइल्ड इज ओवरवेट, जो कि आज हो रहा है आज की तारीख में, तो बच्चों को मैं कहती हूँ, मैं आपको सबको डाइटरी सप्लीमेंट्स नहीं इतने चाहिए. टेक SOS इवन इन देम,
Right.
ओके. लेकिन बच्चों को, क्योंकि उनका वेट इज नॉट एन इशू, दे कैन ईट मोर बिकॉज children are agile and very active.
Right.
So they are able to burn those calories. So they are fine. मतलब बैठे बैठे भी बच्चा फिजिट इतना करता है कि उसका कैलोरी बर्न हो जाता है. लेकिन इफ अ चाइल्ड इज ऑन द हेवियर साइड, इफ आई हैव टू गिव हिम न्यूट्रिशन, आई विल रेकमेंड सप्लीमेंट इवन टू द चाइल्ड. बट जरूरी नहीं है. इंजरी है उस पीरियड में, जैसे ही रिकवर हो गया, मूवमेंट शुरू हो गई पूरी, खाना अच्छे से खा रहे हैं, आप सप्लीमेंट बंद कर दो. सो यूज सप्लीमेंट वाइजली,
Okay.
only at a time when it is required.
So looking at the today's generation, how people have been following social media so much, ठीक है, किसी को knowledge है, किसी को नहीं है, people have been following them. So in future, how would you suggest them कि क्या actually में उनको करना चाहिए?
देखो मैं ये कहती हूँ, किसी के सिर्फ फॉलोअर काउंट पे मत जाओ. फॉलोअर तो कैसे भी आ जाते हैं, राइट? फॉलोअर कहीं से भी आ सकते हैं, एंटरटेनमेंट होगा, फॉलोअर आ जाएंगे.
Exactly.
आप ये देखो, who is qualified enough and who is giving you, I would say, an unbiased information, works more on science rather than give you someone who is giving you hacks like a superfood. That's why when you ask me, no, one food, I don't like, there is no one single food which is healthy. Your diet has to have everything. There's an important role for every nutrient in our body and every food in our body.
Right.
तो एक सिंगल फूड नहीं लो. इसी तरीके से ये जो कह देते हैं ना, चिया सीड खाओ, इट्स वेरी गुड. ये अब लोग देखे भर भर के चिया सीड पुडिंग खा रहे हैं. एक बार एक आया था, ओमेगा 3 फ्लैक्स सीड्स, लोग सौंफ के जैसे फ्लैक्स सीड खाए जा रहे हैं. ऐसे फ्लैक्स सीड है तो फैट, वजन तो बढ़ेगा ही ना. दिन भर अगर आप फ्लैक्स सीड खा रहे हो ओमेगा 3 के लिए, सो इट्स दैट फाइन बैलेंस दैट यू हैव टू सी. तो इंफॉर्मेशन पूरी है. यूज योर विजडम टू फाइंड who is the right person giving you the right information and
Exactly.
not just giving you a shortcut.
Exactly. So any particular tips which you will like to give to my audience?
Yes. Number one, it's my favorite quote. When it comes to diet, your diet should be inclusive and not exclusive.
As in, kindly elaborate.
Yes. Meaning, inclusive क्या हुआ? आप सब चीज खा रहे हो, so much so sugar भी खा रहे हो, processed sugar, moderation में खा रहे हो. आप उसको अपनी जिंदगी में रख रहे हो, उसको completely eliminate नहीं कर रहे हो until and unless you have sensitivity or you are allergic, let's say celiac diseases, like someone
Sorry to
with
interrupt
gluten
in
allergy.
between, but
Sorry?
sugar. Sorry to interrupt in between, but people have this doubt: brown sugar, white sugar, brown bread, white bread. इसके ऊपर क्या take है?
Good, doctor. Good you asked. Okay. First of all, we need to know, एक चम्मच चीनी हो, एक चम्मच हनी हो, या एक चम्मच ब्राउन शुगर हो, कैलोरीज सेम होगी. अब ये देखो, इसमें इस चीनी को खाने से स्वीटनेस कितनी मिल रही है, हनी को खाने से कितनी स्वीटनेस मिल रही है, ब्राउन शुगर को खाने से कितनी स्वीटनेस मिल रही है.
ठीक है.
पहले ये देखिए. अब अगर आप किसी चाय में एक चम्मच सफेद चीनी डालते हो, आपको वो टेस्ट चाहिए. अगर आपको ब्राउन शुगर में वो टेस्ट नहीं आ रहा है, अगर आप 2 चम्मच चीनी खा रहे हो तो वो गलत हो गया.
Okay.
आप उसमें 2 से 3 चम्मच हनी डाल रहे हो, वो गलत हो गया. अगर आप व्हाइट शुगर की जगह सेम ब्राउन शुगर उतनी ही रख रहे हो, जैसे हाफ अ टी स्पून रख रहे हो, हनी उतना ही रख रहे हो, देन इट इज फाइन. एक चीज मैं बोलूंगी, पहले तो चीनी ही कम रखनी है. जो चीज ऑलरेडी आपकी पूरी डाइट में 1-2% पे चल रही है, उसमें क्यों इतना दिमाग लगाना.
Okay.
राइट. जो चीज 1-2% है, उस पर इतना फोकस करके पूरी एनर्जी वहां करके ब्राउन शुगर ला रहे हो, वो ला रहे हो.
So basically, difference is just for taste.
just for taste. और कुछ
चाहे वो
ये है
honey हो, चाहे वो
कि ये
brown sugar
हेल्दी
हो,
है,
हाँ
1 और 2% कुछ चीज आपकी डाइट में है और उसमें भी आप व्हाइट शुगर, हनी और ब्राउन शुगर को अलग अलग करते हो, तो उसका न्यूट्रिशन तो कहीं जाके 0.01% होता है. अब आप यू सी यू पुटिंग योर एनर्जी इन दैट
people are more concerned about that.
0.01%
Right.
चीज पे.
हाँ.
जो 25% का प्रोटीन है उधर वो सब गया, वो
हाँ.
नहीं ध्यान दे रहे.
हाँ.
सो दैट इज व्हाई आई से व्हाट इज मोर इम्पोर्टेंट, पुट योर एनर्जीज देयर. ये तो थोड़ी सी
What
चीजें
about the
थी तो
breads?
बॉडी हैंडल कर लेती है. ब्रेड, अगर आप लेबल उठा के देखोगे, किसी ब्रेड के पीछे देखोगे, कमर्शियल ब्रेड में कहने को लिख देते हैं होल व्हीट ब्रेड. होल व्हीट आटा 5% होता है, बाकी तो सिर्फ मैदा होता है, उसमें कलर होता है.
हाँ.
तो यू आर एज गुड एज ईटिंग व्हाइट ब्रेड और ब्राउन ब्रेड. ब्राउन ब्रेड में बस
वो
ये
similar.
कलर खा लेते हो. सो यू नो हर चीज आप ये देखो कौन सी आपकी डाइट में कितनी ज्यादा है, उस पे ध्यान दो ना, बनिस्बत जो 1 और 2%.
Right.
राइट. मैं ये कहूँगी ब्रेड कम कर दो ना, बिकॉज इट्स प्रोसेस. रोटी खा लो. तो वो जब 1 और 2% है, फिर आप यूर अगेन ब्रेकिंग योर हेड ओवर इट.
Right.
Unless you like the taste.
Okay.
Right? So go by that taste to lo. That's what I say.
Any other tips? Sorry to
So
interrupt.
inclusive. So
Yeah.
the diet inclusive is what, this is what I meant. कि चीनी भी अगर खा रहे हो, आप उसके लिए भी अपने डिसिप्लिन के साथ खा लो, उसको अपनी डाइट में रखो. Right? एक्सक्लूसिव क्या हो जाता है? कीटो डाइट. ये
Intermittent.
नहीं, नॉट इंटरमिटेंट.
हाँ.
कीटो हो गया हाई फैट. कीटो इज हाई फैट.
हाँ.
एटकिंस हो गया हाई प्रोटीन.
Okay.
और कि ये नहीं खाना है, ग्लूटेन एलर्जी नहीं है, लेकिन हम ग्रेन नहीं खा रहे हैं, हम व्हीट नहीं खा रहे हैं, क्यों? कुछ पढ़ लिया. यू डोंट नीड टू डू दैट. लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट, कहते हैं लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट है, दूध अच्छा नहीं होता, हर कोई दूध पीना छोड़ देता, तो हो जाते हो आप लैक्टोज इंटॉलरेंट.
So
There is
lactose
something-
intolerance basically develops when you leave having
Yes,
milk. Okay.
a lot of things when you leave. See, until and unless you're sensitive, you do not need to eliminate anything. There is something called nutrition persistence also. So if you keep having milk, you will become lactose persistent. Means opposite of intolerance, right? So only when you stop having something for some time, your body does not make enzymes to use that. And that's how you become intolerant. So, मैं तो ये कहती हूँ, जंक भी खाओ, let your body be used to, no,
Right.
of digesting everything.
Right.
Right. So that is what I mean by keeping your diet inclusive and not exclusive.
Any other tips
So
for
this is one.
young
This-
population basically?
This is one.
Huh.
Okay. Number 2, I'll use for fitness. That overdoing of anything is bad. Exercising 2 to 3 hours without going for a competition is not required.
Right.
Only if you're going for a competition, you're an athlete, that is when you need to put in 2 to 3 hours or maybe a little more.
Right.
But a normal person,
Should not.
1 hour per day, 5 to 6 hours per week is good enough.
Same. Even I recommend the same thing. Yeah.
Keep it moderate. And also, not all your training should be high intensity or vigorous.
It
It
has to be a
should be
pattern. Yeah.
कुछ heavy, कुछ light, कुछ moderate. जिंदगी भी तो जीना है, सारे press में. So when it comes to high intensity, I always say, देखो, what is high intensity? It's like pressing the gas pedal. पूरा speed दबा दो, कार तेजी से जाएगी. That is the condition that happens in a high intensity workout. But जब enjoy करनी है, drive enjoy करनी है, तो आप gas pedal इतना जोर से नहीं करते हो. Moderate.
Moderate.
So apply that even to this.
Any other tips?
So
for
that's
elder,
all.
for elder,
Follow the
for
nature.
elder people.
Follow the nature. The third tip, I would say, if you're talking about it, nutrition we've covered, fitness we've covered, follow the nature. Try to use things which are freely available. Sunlight, grounding, Earth's magnetic field,
Right.
being in the nature. Don't skip those. You derive energy and positivity through them also. A lot of people must have seen that I train barefoot. The reason is that because I am connecting with the Earth's magnetic field, it makes me feel better. So my exercise is therapeutic also for me.
Okay.
I'd run barefoot at the beach. I'm
Okay.
not saying everyone has to do that. Sorry.
Right.
You have to build it up and you have to see that it is safe and all
Right,
that. So
right.
I do all that. I'm vigilant and
Right.
that's when I do. So barefoot if it is safe so that you connect to Earth's magnetic field. Go out in the sun. Don't be scared. Not everyone is getting cancer. Cancer उसको होएगा जो सारा दिन धूप में रह रहा है बिना उसके. आप जाइए, आप थोड़ा तो जाइए. Sunlight is required for our mental health, also for mental well-being. So go out. These are things which are available for free.
Exactly.
Use them.
Exactly.
A Marwadi, I recently did a post that how a Marwadi uses all the free things also. Yeah.
Right, as an Indian also. any Indian.
I'm a Marwadi, I told you I'm a Jain.
Right. Chala.
Right.
It was nice having you on this show.
Thank
So
you so
hope
much.
to
It
see
was
you
my
again
pleasure.
soon.
Yeah.
So any last message which you want to give to my audience?
I would just say, be it nutrition or exercise, follow moderation. Moderately exercise करिए, ज़्यादा नहीं करिए, कम नहीं करिए. There is something called overnutrition. Overnutrition नहीं करिए, under भी नहीं करिए. Moderation रखिए हर चीज़ का. That's all.
Thanks for such a lovely conversation which we had right now. किसी को भी अगर कुछ भी doubts होते हैं, I'm writing down the links below. Instagram, normal Gmail account सब मैं नीचे mention कर रहा हूँ अपने description box में. If you have any doubt, reach back to us and let us know. Thanks for watching this video. Stay tuned for more updates. We'll be right here, right back for you guys.